Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make schedule in Google Sheet. So here I've already opened the docs.google.com/spreadsheet, and then if you want to start to create a schedule from scratch, you just need to click on blank. But if you want to the easiest way, the fastest way, you can just click on the template gallery and then search for the schedule template from Google Sheets. So as you can see here at the personal category, you can find this schedule option, and then if you want to use it, just click on the template and it will automatically open, and you can edit it that fits into your own schedule. For example, you can change the week or the date. I'm going to change it into this day. Okay, I'm going to change it into this day like so, and you can just start your schedule or your schedule list right away. For example, for tomorrow, I'm going to at 8 a.m. I'm going to wake up, for example, and then take a shower, and then at 9 I'm going to go to the store, for example, and then you can just edit the notes and also to do and etc. You can add each day differently. Okay, and then you can just go back because it will automatically save into your Google Drive. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.